Hello and welcome to Unique Coding Heroes. We have my name is Vikas Kumar. I am a certified AZ-204 certified developer, and basically we have already started as a series for tutorial for kind of like cracking interviews, course like kind of like Microsoft certification. And in the past tutorial, we have already covered so many important concepts. So like जो हमने अपने past tutorial में हम we have discussed like how we can crack the certification. So we like I had discussed the points which is required like in the past tutorial, like which are all the topics and how many percentage it comes under each and every topic. So yeah, so today's tutorial, moving ahead, we are going to discuss. So let's start with our discussion for 204 dumps and like real exam questions we are going to discuss. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So let's get started with our dump preparation for 204. Let's move to our first question. Like yeah, so you need to correct a VM issues. So which tool you should use for backup and restore and performance. So you can see these kind of questions will be asked from you're facing some issues in the VMs, and Microsoft, you have to provide a solution for issue. So issue is backup and restore and performance, and this is a tool. So which tool from the list of the four, which tool you will use to do the backup? So you can see I have used the green color is the correct answer. So we will use Azure Backup. So why Azure Backup? Azure Backup because VM is critical. It has been it's had a backup, and then VM will quickly enable the restore 7 day snapshot to include the place restore disk in the failure. So basically, you have to understand, like when your backups in Azure backup system, we have a feature in place of basically like what happens sometimes you have not set the backup in the past, and the Azure VM what must enable. Okay, so to protect your VM from occurring some issues, like some then you must enable your backup system from your in your VM. If you have not backup, then it will create an issue. So what it does, the 7 day backup you will get if you enable the backup, you will get a 7 days backup in your system, uh, say snapshot. Okay, so in case of failure you can use this VM. Okay, and second is performance. So performance, you can do accelerated networking. So the accelerated networking, in the sense escalator networking basically it enables a single root input auto virtualization to a VM, greatly improving its networking performance. So accelerated networking you can use to enable the single root input output virtualization to a VM, which will improve its networking performance. So accelerated network will reduce the latency as well and CPU utilization, so which will enhance the performance. So this is our first question. So you can see the green color is correct one. So you can you can practice this thing. You can so there is a reference also there. I will share in the chat, in the comment. So there you can you read the reference as well. So which will be enhance your knowledge in Azure VMs. So here we have a next question which is based on we are developing a web application where you need to register the application with an active directory tenant with three actions you should perform in a sequence to move all actions from the list of the actions to answer area and arrange them in correct. So these are the actions we have to manage in a sequence. Okay, so yeah. So you need to register the application with the Azure directory. Okay, AD tenant is there, and uh, so the action which is Which so what the question is like which three action you should perform in a sequence to move to create a register application in Azure. So basically, you're going to register an application. Which three you will perform in a sequence? Okay, sequence you have to perform. Okay, so while creating new application, first we will create a new application which provides the name, account type, and redirectory URL. Then second, we select the Azure assistant, AD assistant. Third, third we in third we create like step one we register new, okay, new application. Then we select AD assistance, and third we create new app, provide a name, account type, and a director. So like these are the steps. Hello, yeah. So like third questions like moving ahead. The next question is like a kind of like we're developing an application that uses a blob named data to store application data. The application creates blob snapshot to allow application state to be reverted to an earlier state. Azure Storage Cloud account has soft deleted enable. The system performs the following operation in a order. When the blob is updated, snapshot is created, then step snapshot 1 is deleted, a system error then deletes the data blob, and all snapshot you need to determine the application state can be resorted. So what is the restorability of application data? To answer, select the appropriate option. So basically, okay, so data blob, application state, and restorability. So data blob, snapshot 1, snapshot 2. So first of all, in the box one, we can be restored when enabled. Soft delete enable to save and recover your data when the blob or blobs are deleted. Then box 2 cannot be deleted. So box 2 cannot be restored. Snapshot 1, which was already created and it was deleted, so it cannot be restored, it has been deleted. And box 3 can be restored, it has been deleted. So box 3 it can be deleted, and it has been deleted. So can be restored, it has been deleted. So snapshot 2 was created, okay, and it can be deleted. So for more detail you can go to this link, I will paste in the chat. Okay. So friends, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the updated videos. So keep me inspired so that I can bring more questions, more dumb questions in the coming future, so that it will motivate you to crack the exam. Thank you very much, guys.